Anybody has gallbladder removal done? Anybody had weight loss surgeries done? Hysterectomies, or some people already said they had hysterectomies, then the bone surgeries or hip replacements, knee replacements, then the thyroid, blood pressure, diabetes. This is all part and parcel of what people go through. Okay, so as soon as you hit 40 or 35, the series of events are going to keep starting, and then the whole roller coaster ride tumbling down starts. Okay, around the age of 35. Until then, somehow the body takes all the beatings that we have given it. But around the age of 35, that's when the toxemia hits the peak, okay? And then the tumbling down of our health starts. So do not get into this, okay? Once you know the right lifestyle and diet to follow, we will not get into this cycle of stress, not knowing what to eat, and then ulta pulta with our lifestyle, and then getting into more and more toxicity and hurting ourselves.